Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming which Google account is linked to your game. This avoids losing progress. Next, backup saves to the cloud and export any linked data. This preserves progress if you switch accounts. Once done, enable two-step verification on both accounts to secure the transition. Make sure to note recovery emails and phone numbers so you can restore access quickly. These steps reduce risk and let you change accounts with confidence before touching in-game settings. You now perform the in-game switch. Open Settings and go to Account or Profile, then find Linked Accounts. This is where the change happens. Sign out of the current Google link, select Add Account and choose Google, then follow the authentication prompts. Make sure you grant all requested permissions so the game can access saves. Without them, sync can fail. Once you select the target Google account, confirm sync and watch for on-screen messages indicating a successful link. Finish by verifying your progress, purchases, and achievements on the newly linked Google account so you confirm everything moved. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache and data, then retry signing in. Make sure network is stable and Google Play services updated. If that still fails, reinstall the game or sign out of Google on the device and sign back in. As a last resort, contact game support and provide account ID and timestamps so they can restore your data quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.